Hi everybody, my name is Dan Eisenberg. I'm one of the biologists with Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection. Here in a future stream restoration location, one of the big things that we get asked is how do we minimize effects to the ecology living in the streams, and how do we minimize potential future erosions during these projects? One of the big things that we do is we will do a stream drawdown. So we will pump water out of the construction area to minimize the amount of potential sediment that will get kicked up during the construction process. During periods when construction is not actively occurring, the stream will remain drawn down. However, the channel and the banks will be weatherproofed to ensure that no excess erosion occurs. Prior to the construction actually occurring in the drawdown area, a crew will come through and remove all of the fish, frogs, salamanders, amphibians, and other things that call the stream home and relocate them to a portion that is not under active construction. To further reduce the impacts of stream restoration, construction does not occur in the channel during sensitive time periods for our aquatic wildlife. These sensitive time periods include spawning seasons for fish as well as periods of metamorphose for our amphibians. DEP also works in collaboration with state biologists to ensure minimizing impacts to any rare, threatened, and endangered species that may be in the waterway.
One of the final stages of construction is planting new trees and other plants to stabilize the new stream banks and mitigate disturbance. The plantings are installed when it's best for the plants. For example, trees are installed during dormant season. This planting will increase the species diversity, reduce the establishment of invasive, and improve the overall forest health.
Learn more by visiting our website, montgomerycountymd.gov/streamrestoration. You can also contact us via email at askdep@montgomerycountymd.gov or by calling us at 240-777-0311. We look forward to speaking with you.